What is up, y'all? So I'm so excited to share with you guys my lettuce pile. So I'm about to harvest a few of them, and I'm just going to show you how I harvest them so that they could keep growing. So I just go ahead, you could use a scissors, you could use a knife, and if you look right here, you'll see like this, the core of the lettuce. So I'm just going like right here, like so like right here, just cut it, put that in there. See it? Then I'm just going to cut some more of the nice big ones. So like and then it's just going to go right back. So you see, I'm just going to pick some more. I'm going to pick probably all of these. Like, look at this. These are nice. I'm going to cut the top.